students create a timeline that started back from when first peoples were in the world, and having them create it from all the way through ancient civilizations to present day, it gave them a real visual representation of continuity and change. It allowed them to see when huge events had happened in the world and in time periods where there wasn't a lot happening. It allowed them to plot different things on that timeline to show things that they were studying. So when a particular civilization began and ended, when was the ancient Greek population alive, and when was that constitution that they developed, or that democracy that they had, when was that started and how long did that last? When did the Canadian Constitution start? And it allowed them also to see, not only see that visually, but to think about it and stimulate conversation about why it took so long for it to happen, and how Canada is such a new country compared to some of the other countries, and we still have a constitution that, you know, they had even back in ancient civilization.
And you just didn't take a roll of paper and unfold it on your wall and mark on it as an educator?
Absolutely not. I had the students do all the research. The students created it themselves and put everything on it, and whenever they came up with something new, Miss Hope, I found this, then they would run up and they would put another post-it note, or they would draw it on themselves onto the timeline, and then we'd make a point of discussing that and saying, well, so-and-so found this, they put it up there, this is the Constitution, for example, of ancient Greece. What can we say about it? What do we want to learn more about?
So the students' inquiries actually became the markers on the timeline across history.
Absolutely. And it was great discussion points, and where we ended up getting some of our debate ideas as well.